好，大家好，我们今天讲第10课交通第2个部分。好，那我们先复习一下。So first of all, let's review. 我们怎么说？Do you know how to go somewhere? Do you know how to travel to somewhere? 我们怎么说呢？我们可以说，你知道怎么去吗？比如说 ，for example, you want to go to the airport, 机场。那么你可以说，你知道怎么去机场吗？ When you're traveling, you want to find out, how should I go to the airport? You can ask a person from the local. 你知道 Do you know 怎么去机场吗？ How to go to the airport? 好，那我们看，我们还有别的方法。We have other ways to to ask the same question. 好，你知道怎么走吗？ So instead of 去 the verb 去 you could also use the verb 走 which means to walk. But in this case, 走 other than the original meaning to walk, it means to travel. So you're asking the travel route. 比如说 for example, 你知道去机场怎么走吗？好，接下来If you take public transportation, you could use 坐车。你知道怎么坐车吗？好let's adjust this. 好，你知道去机场怎么坐车吗？好，那么我们还学了先在 first, then. So this is a very useful expression to tell people the sequence of more than one action. 好，那么比如说王鹏问去纽约怎么走，那么司机 the driver told him 告诉他，你先坐地铁，再坐公共汽车。好 ，Another example， 王鹏问北京大学怎么走？那么司机说：“你先坐飞机，再坐出租汽车。”好，那we can before 在 we can add 然后 we can add another word to further make it clear. This is the first action we do, and then after that. We will do another action. 比如说 for example, 李友问今天晚上我们要做什么？ What are we going to do tonight? 王鹏说我们先吃饭 So have a meal first. 然后再去看电影 Then go to watch a movie. 好，那么王鹏问周末你做什么？李友说：“我先做功课，然后再出去 go out。做什么呢？买衣服 to buy 衣服。对了，好，那么白英爱问下午王鹏去哪儿？那么李友说他 refers to 王鹏先去电脑室 computer lab 再去图书馆 then go to the library. So you can see 然后 can be omitted here. But if you put that 然后 there, you further emphasize this is the first action, and after the first action, this is the second. 好 we can even make it more complex. It's because that's our life. We're busy. We have to do so many things. So you may have more than 2 actions, more than 2 activities that you need to do, and you have to follow the sequence. You have to do something first and then move to the next task. 好，那么高文中问你今天晚上想做什么？那么李友说 我先跟朋友聊天，这是李友，李友和朋友聊天 chat。好，然后再跳舞，李友和王鹏跳舞。最后是 the last， 最后回宿舍睡觉。So the very last I go back to my dorm and sleep. 好 you can also use the new expression to tell people how to travel to somewhere. Now, can you pause the video and use 先，然后再，最后 to tell people if you're in Washington, how would you take the different subways or subway lines? 好 welcome back. 我们可以说先坐红线，然后再坐绿线。哦，对不起，最后坐黄线。Did you get it? 好 now the last thing we're going to cover for this lecture is topic comment sentences. 好 you can ignore the terminology here and let's look at the short conversation. 好，我们看王鹏问李友，寒假你回家吗？寒假 do you still remember 寒假 winter break do you go home during winter break? 李友说，对，我要回家。You're right, I will go home. 那么王鹏问，飞机票你买了吗？ Did you get the airplane ticket? And you probably will ask me, wait a moment, this sentence looks a little different than what we learned so far. What we learned so far was 你买飞机票了吗? So subject, verb, and object. How come you put the object at the beginning of the sentence? That's the new grammar, topic comment sentence. This sentence is a topic comment sentence. It's because in the context, Wang Peng wants to emphasize in terms of the airplane tickets. Have you bought it already? So in the context, when you want to emphasize the object, you can make it as a topic and put it at the beginning of the sentence. Let's see another example. Now let's look at another example. A said, 我昨天买了一支笔。那么 B, following on or focusing on the newly introduced information, which is a pen. So I bought a pen yesterday. So B, focusing on this new information. That pen or the pen. Do you like it? So let's compare with using the structure we learned before. 你喜欢那支笔吗? So this sentence following the regular subject, verb, and object sequence, which is totally fine grammatically, but in a conversation, this sounds better or flows more natural. It's because B is focusing on the newly introduced information. In terms of the pen, basically B was saying in terms of the pen you bought yesterday, not other pens, not other merchandise, just the pen you bought yesterday, which you just said. Okay, so this is how we use topic comments in our conversations. That's all for today. 谢谢. I will see you next time. 下次见.